So it's been a while that I haven't made a video from Forex. So I think it's about time. No, you will see another fresh videos from me doing Forex. And in fact, I'm planning to make a video blog out of this. But before that, what we're going to discuss right now is why watch this video? It's because I want to show you something. See, I have wrote it on the screen for you to understand the tools that I used and strategy and why it works. So again, this is very important since sa dami ng strategy ngayon, sa dami ng mga ituturo, di mo na alam saan magsimula. Right? So hope this could give you a better view para sa pag-trade nyo. I will be making two parts of this video. The first part is to show you the result of the strategy that I created, in which ginamit ko siya sa gusto ko at sa according to my personality. That's what I'm trying to say. No? So however, I could not, okay, malinaw po ha, I could not guarantee that this will work for you. Why? It is because trading have to do with your personality. So, if pareho tayo ng personality, probably, no? We don't know. So, I'm just willing to show you how I did it. Then, of course, number 2 is because I started at small amount. Meaning to say, hindi po ako guro. Katulad nyo, I'm still learning. In fact, ang bagal kong matuto. I'm almost 1 year and 1 month. Merong iba dyan, 6 months lang. Wow! Grabe, diba? So, learn it from them also. Sa akin lang is, mabagal talaga akong natuto. No? So, this is the reason why you watch this video. Number 3, of course, for us to learn from my costly mistake. Yan, that's very important, no? Mga bossing, huwag lang tayong padalos-dalos. Pati may nakita tayo dyan sa Facebook, nag-post na, wow, laki ng kita nila, doon kagad. No, come on, take a break. Diba? So, to give you also info, how not to be a victim in scam. Kasi, sad to say, in fact, marami na nangyari na ganito is, isa din ako sa biktima nito, is ginagamit ito, no, for scamming people. And when you see it that it's how that easy they do it, probably yes, that's easy, but it really cost them a lot to learn from it. So it will be unfair to our side na sa mga nag-aaral, sa mga gumagawa na talaga ng from the basic, no, yung talagang gustong matuto, it will be unfair for our side na we will just say that ganito kadali, no. It will be soon easy, but as I have said, currently I'm 1 year and 1 month now, marami pa rin gusto kong malaman at nagkakamali pa rin ako. But then again, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang result ko for this December. Ayan. So, that's it. So, let's go for my result. Okay. Access po natin. So, I'm using Pepperstone ngayon. So, for you guys, gusto ng Pepperstone. So, ang current nila is ayan. So, $200 ang minimum nila. So, what I'm going to show you, so itong pinaka-importante ha. Itong pinaka-importante, I'm going to show you from the month of December. Access po natin. December 1st hanggang December 28 na. Bakit 28? I will show you why. So, I access ngayon from starting December 1 to 28. So if makakita nyo naman po, here is it. So makikita nyo po, yung mga green, yan po yung mga winning trades natin, diba? At yung mga red, yan po yung losing trade natin. So from December, this is the current date, but I started at saan ba yung date? December 5, no? December 5, tapos until nag-trade ako hanggang December 28. So from December 5, my balance was $140. Then after a week, I managed to earn. Then meron tayong isang error. So naging 195. After that, after another week, naging 245. So basically po, after 3 weeks, parang we almost double our account. So dito pa lang makikita natin na totoo nga pala, no? The potential in forex is really big. You could double your capital, no? Sa akin, I started from 140 at pagdating ng December 28, yun, naging 272. So from there, you could see na, it's almost 100% markup, right? So dito pa lang, I could show to you the potential of earning money. $272, magkano yan? Around, kano ba? So around mga 13,000 pesos, no? So I started at 140. Yan. 140, so almost half. So dito pa lang, I have proven po yung law ng Pilipinas na anything that sounds to be true, too good to be true, is scam. Hindi po. Ito pa lang is a direct result that forex could give you. But sa mga ibang traders po, marami dyan, no? Lalo na yung nauna sa akin, at meron pa rin din yung nahuli, pero nang gagaling nila, kaya pa nilang palakihin to into much bigger. So dito pa lang totoong kayang palakihin ang puhunan nyo in a faster rate. Depende gaano kagaling ang trader. Now, however, it doesn't mean na malaki. Sa nakikita nyo, no? Dito, I have only 3 errors. Tatlo ba? 1, 2, 3 in 3 weeks. So, it doesn't mean nakikita nyo the potential is big. Ganun lang po kadali. Actually po, just to tell you frankly, kasi po wala po akong nagtuturo sa akin, I learned from YouTube, I learned from my own research, nangangapa ko talaga. So, pinakita ko to sa inyo, baka sakaling magagamit nyo paano ko nagawa itong sistema na to, paano ako nag-earn ng ganito using the system, the strategy, the tools that I used. So, in order to give you proof na those strategy is giving me money, I have to show you the result. And of course naman po, hindi naman po kalakihan yan, no? That's maliit lang po compare sa iba, nako milyon-milyon. Ganun sila kadali. So, what I'm trying to say is, I'm a scalper type of trader, so pinapakita ko sa inyo on the way I trade, and if ever the same personality tayo, at go! Gamitin nyo po. It's for free. So, for this part, ipakita ko muna ang result sa sistema, sa strategy na ginamit ko, sa tools na ginamit ko, on how I trade. So, these are the result from December 1 to December 28. But then again, we will proceed until December 1 to December 31. Kasi 1 month nga eh. Diba? Ipapakita ko 1 month. Hindi pwedeng yun lang. So, kung makikita nyo, wow, ang ganda ng performance, no? I managed to get 77 pips. 30 pips. Anyway, if you don't know about pips, you could research it. So, that's the volume. So, parang yung dyan ka magkukuha ng basihan, magkano kikitain mo, depende sa how much you trade. So, I traded from 10 cents to 50 to $1. So, nakita natin na meron akong talo, pero it's only 0.1 pips. Ito, medyo malaki-laki. That's $3. Then, ito, malaki. Napakalaki. This is $18. So, meron din akong error. Now, kung makita natin po, as you could see, 28, diba? Baba tayo. Yan. 29. Pagdating ng 29, panalo pa ako. So, kanina, it's only 267 to 61. 28 was only 272. Pero ngayon, naging 272.79 plus there, nakita nyo, nag-additional, tapos natalo ako isa, tapos nag-add na naman, no? Naging 273 until such time naging 294. So, anong date yan? That's December 29. So, from December 1 hanggang December 29, yung 140 ko nagawa ko siyang $294. I started from saan yan? 140. Yan, this one. Then, hanggang naging 294 on December 29. So, meaning to say that the strategy na pinag-aralan ko, the tools that I'm using is effective. Tama po ba? And yan ang gusto ko rin ipapakita sa inyo, which is isa-separate ko lang na video kasi medyo mahaba-haba yon. So, I will start it from how I trade talaga. I started from zero to preparations to taking the action to trade. No? So, iba yon. What I'm going to show you is this. Also, my failure. No? I need to be transparent para makita nyo, yes, it's that potential. Maging 100% capital mo, maging 300% capital mo, pero malaki din ang risk. Now, I'm going to show you the failure. Take note ha, the failure that I made. And the cause of this failure, when akala ko, eto na, I found the key, eto na, maganda na. Pero at the time that nakita ko ang sistema, saan ako nag-fail? Dito ako nag-fail. Ipapakita ko yung result ng failure. Eto, yan. See? Kita nyo? Ang laki, di ba? So dito, talo ako ng $23. So from 294 to 270. At ano pa? Tingnan mo. Ilang beses ako natalo. In just what? Minuto ang pagitan. So meaning to say, kaya kong mag-build ng account sa current system ko. Pero kaya din matalo ka. So saan ako natalo? Does it mean yung tools ko mali? Yung strategy ko mali? Hindi po. Ang mali po, ang nagawang error ko po is time management. Yan po ang error ko. Alam kong tama na. I got greedy. So, sige. Sabi ko, trade pa. Nangyari. Dahil alas 5 na to. Kita yan, oh. This is sa atin is around alas 6 na. And wala pa akong tulog doon. Nakatulog po ako, leaving my trade. So, yan. Yan ang nangyari. So, eto, imposible. Biruin mo, 234 pips. Gaano kalaki yan? So, if only hindi ako nakatulog, if only I have time management when to trade, hindi yung tira ng tira porque alam na ang sistema, alam na gamitin ang tools, if only I have time management, this costly mistake, maiwasan. Napakalaki yan, 253, 267. Malinaw po na this is my part of that error, and the reason for this error is time management. No? And yes, of course, I got greedy. Gusto ko pa, pero ayun, naghihintay, nakatulog. Silang iglip lang, ayun na, talo na. So, please learn from this. Now, nung nakita ko, uy, taka, patay, natalo ako. No, natalo ako. Ang ginawa ko, I trade it again. At nakita nyo, so, nag-trade ako ulit the next day. Nakikita nyo talaga that it's really winning. In which, I maximized na sa yung sistemang na nakuan ko, na natutunan ko. Like, 4. All directions. There. So, nakita natin that I managed to earn a 50 pip. So, what I'm trying to show you is, yes, the strategy, the tools that I used and how I use it is working. However, pumalya ako sa time management. So, I'm currently working out my time management. I have to make firm anong oras ako mag-trade. Napaka-importante din pala niyan, no? So, yan po yung error ko. At however, what I'm trying to show to you is, so dati I just traded kasi lumiit siya. So ngayon, I managed to boost up from $107 to $112, earning around 50 pips. So ngayon, that's 10 cents. So aabot din to pag kaya ko na mag-trade ng 50 cents if the system will allow me, kasi nadagdagan na yung capital natin through our winning. Mabilis din, no? I want you to kwan on the later weeks, i-video ko rin, ipapakita ko pa rin ang result. So I tell you, from makikita natin result, gaano kabilis ang pag-recover, dahil alam na natin paano gamitin ang tools at ano yung exact tools na tools and strategy na ginagamit. That which is applicable din sa inyo. No? Which is applicable din. Meaning to say, merong hindi. Why? Again, because of personality. No? Different po talaga ang bawat isa, no, to trade. So, here, this is my result in trading for 1 month. Yeah, natalo man ako. Not exactly talo because bumalik lang yung puhunan ko. But then again, that was a costly mistake na dapat bigyan ko ng pansin. I need to have time management. Hindi lang porque alam ko na when and how to use the tools, importante din pala ang time management. So that's all po. Please watch the next video. Doon ko ipapakita ang strategy and ang tools ko. We'll start it from zero, no, from planning to taking a trade. Papakita ko doon and gagawin ko yon, and you could copy it, no? Pwede nyo gawing basihan, no? Malay natin, it will also work for you, no? Para sa akin, it really does work. Nakita nyo naman, may resulta na po. I already given you the result of that kind of trading, that kind of tools. So ito na po, ang next video is yung paano ko ginawa itong resulta na pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon. So that's it. Maraming salamat po.